Have any practical advice on lifestyle choices or preventive measures that men can adopt to reduce their risk of developing prostate cancer?
Okay, so lifestyle choices would be exercise first thing. Exercise daily. That helps in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. And in case the patient is an alcoholic, or if the person is an alcoholic or a smoker, then he can cut down on those. And diet choices, like he should avoid processed foods and stick to more healthier options instead.
What about exercise and
Yeah,
stress? Do these also play a role?
yeah, these also play a role. In case you're diagnosed with prostate cancer, there is absolutely no need to panic. There are multiple treatment options, and the overall outcome of treatment is very good. So there is no need to worry. And secondly, I would say is to exercise more often and choose healthier lifestyle options. When the patients have prostate cancer in a younger age group, it's better to get them screened for this genetic mutation because it helps in the later on silencing this mutation can help in the therapy as well. And men over 50 years of age should get screened more often, a PSA test at least once a year, so that you'll know your current disease status.